नवी मुंबई नेटवर्क।
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते। भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते।
बंगाली समाज के सबसे बड़े पर्व के तौर पर जगत प्रसिद्ध दुर्गा पूजा की रौनक कोपेखेरने बंगाली एसोसिएशन द्वारा आयोजित श्री श्री सर्वजनीन दुर्गा उत्सव 2021 के दरमियान देखने को मिली। अपने 26वें वर्ष में पदार्पण के साथ महिषासुर मर्दिनी मां दुर्गा की अनुपम छटा सभी को आकर्षित कर रही थी। बता दें कि सबसे बड़ा आकर्षण का केंद्र बिंदु रहा बंगाल में मशहूर मां दुर्गा की सिंदूर आरती, और यही आरती करते यहां पर महिलाएं दिखाई दी। महिलाओं ने परंपरागत तरीके से श्रद्धा के साथ माता की आराधना कर नवदुर्गा के नवरात्र उत्सव को बड़े ही हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाया। बंगाली परंपरा के तहत ताल मृदंग पूजा आरती के साथ सफेद पोशाकों में सजी मां की ऊर्जावान रूप दिखाई दे रहा था। इस दौरान क्या बच्चे क्या बड़े सभी माता के धुन में तल्लीन नजर आए। गए 26 वर्षों से मनाए जा रहे इस उत्सव की रौनक इतनी है कि न केवल नवी मुंबई बल्कि मुंबई, ठाणे, उरण, पनवेल से भी लोग यहां खींचे चले आते हैं, और इस वर्ष भी तमाम शहरों से लोगों की रौनक यहां देखने को मिली। कोपेखेरने बंगाली एसोसिएशन की स्थापना सन 1996 में हुई थी। आज तकरीबन 350 बंगाली परिवार इससे जुड़े हुए हैं। इस दौरान कोपेखेरने बंगाली एसोसिएशन के पदाधिकारियों ने इस नवरात्र उत्सव पर प्रकाश डालते हुए कहा कि पिछले साल कोरोना संकट के कारण नवरात्र उत्सव मनाने का मौका नहीं मिला, मगर इस साल मौका मिला और आज इसकी रौनक यहाँ देखने को मिल रही है।
We have started this organization in the year 1995, and this is the 26th year it is going. Last year we could not do the function due to the COVID problems. So now this time we have started this of maintaining all the protocols of the COVID. And now we have started that, we have seen that how we are doing. And we are having total 350 membership, 350 families membership here. Last year due to these COVID problems, we have distributed foods and clothes to the diseased families, and we are trying to help all these people, those who are in distress. Like day before yesterday, Mr. Ganesh Nayak also came here, and he has inaugurated our functions. This is the way we are doing that, and we are trying to make it a grand success in the near future. Okay.
Thank you. And how is the response of the people after 1 year gap?
You can see that one, how the people are coming. There today morning about 250 people came and taken the food. But this time due to this COVID problems, we have given a packed food so that there should not be any problem for the COVID spreading. All these total things has been organized by the total ladies. And we are giving backup, and we are giving only the backups.
The response of the people are very good. People are very happy that we have been able to organize this physical Durga Puja, and people are coming from as far as Ulve and Palava city to visit our puja. Almost 250 people have appeared for Pushpanjali. There was no chaos, there was nothing, and it was very beautifully done. This is the 26th year of this puja. Last year, due to COVID, we couldn't celebrate the 25th year, which was a silver jubilee, but we haven't kept any stones unturned, so we are celebrating in a grand way. And people from as far as Ulve, as I said, Ulve and Palava city are coming, and this is a very big puja, very big event. People are talking about in the entire Navi Mumbai, and people have also come from Mumbai to visit our puja.
Bureau Report, Navimbi Network.